How to access the Happy Home Showcase in Animal Crossing, New Leaf. Animal Crossing, New Leaf for the Nintendo 3DS includes a new area called the Happy Home Showcase, a place in which you may view the houses of players you have StreetPassed with. Although getting houses added to your showcase may take a bit of time, accessing this area is very easy to do. Steps. 1. Go over to Main Street. The entrance to the Happy Home Showcase is located on here, so go to Main Street by running to the north edge of your village and crossing the train tracks there. 2. Talk to Digby. Digby is a dog that is found just north of where you enter Main Street. Talk to him by facing him and pressing A. 3. Choose to view the showcase. In the conversation with Digby, he will ask if you want to view the HH showcase. Choose the answer Yup, in order to proceed into the showcase. 4. Enjoy the showcase. The HH showcase is an entirely different zone in the map, so speak to Digby when you are ready to return to your town. You will see the player characters of anybody that your 3DS has successfully made a StreetPass within the area when you first enter. If you have StreetPassed with a player multiple times, you may speak with their character to get a special item from them. These items include balloons, pinwheels, and bubble wands, and will be visible in the character's hand if they are obtainable. There are other areas to the west, north, and east that hold the houses of the players you have StreetPassed. There are 16 spaces for houses in each area, making a total of 48. Take a look inside the houses. You can order up to a total of 5 pieces of furniture per day from any of the houses. Special furniture, event furniture, or furniture that has been customized by Cyrus may not be ordered, however. Also be aware that the item will cost more than if you obtained it from the Nukeling store. If there isn't much to enjoy in your HH showcase, carry your 3DS around with you to gain more StreetPasses. Putting your system into sleep mode will aid the process. Ensure that you have StreetPass enabled for Animal Crossing, New Leaf.